Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be discussing about anti-cancerous drug and in which we will be discussing about topoisomerase inhibitors, both topoisomerase 2 inhibitor as well as topoisomerase 1 inhibitor. Okay, let's start with topoisomerase 2 inhibitor. The drug is etoposide. It is a semi-synthetic derivative of a toxin, that is podophyllitoxin, that is a plant glycoside. Okay, and it is not a mitotic inhibitor but arrests the cell in which phase? G2 phase. Okay, we have to remember that. And it causes DNA break by inhibiting the DNA topoisomerase 2 function. Okay, so अगर ऐसे हमारे पास DNA है ऐसे हेलिक्स में, अगर हम उसको अलग कर रहे हैं बार बार, ओके, and then topoisomerase is acting again and again, so at the point of unwinding it has become weak. ठीक है, तो these drug inhibit these topoisomerase and they can break this DNA from there. Okay, so uses are in testicular cancer, lung cancer, we should remember that. Testicular cancer, lung cancer, Hodgkin and other lymphomas, carcinoma of bladder and stomach. ओके, द बायोलेबिलिटी इज़ ओनली 50%. ओके, अगर हमने ओरली दिया है इसको, अगर ओरली दिया तो 50% आ रहा है. ठीक है, तो अगर इसमें हमने 500 मान लो, लेट्स सपोज ओनली अगर 500 mg दे रहे हैं इन ओरल, तो आईवी में हमारे पास इसमें 50 में हमने 500 mg में हमारे पास इसका कितना जाएगा 250 mg, राइट. तो आईवी का अगर हमने 500 दिया है तो इसमें हमें 1000 mg देना पड़ेगा ओरल में, बिकॉज जो बायोएबिलिटी है ओरल की वो 50% है. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट टोपोआइसोमरेज 1 इनहिबिटर. ओके, इन दिस वी हैव topotecan and irinotecan. Okay, they act in similar manner as that of etoposide, but they interact with different enzyme, that is DNA topoisomerase 1. Okay, they damage DNA during replication. Okay, मतलब replication के दौरान मतलब they are in S phase. Okay, and arrest the cell cycle as G2 phase. Also they will arrest the cell in G2 phase, though they are not mitotic inhibitor. Okay, so topotecan, it is used in metastatic carcinoma of ovary and the small cell lung cancer after primary chemotherapy has been failed. So this we has to remember in topotecan that it is used in which cancer? Metastatic carcinoma of ovary. Also किस में यूज होता है? Small cell lung cancer after which when the primary chemotherapy has been failed. Okay, and it has been combined with cisplatin for the cervical cancer. Okay, topotecan plus cisplatin used for cervical cancer. Okay, cisplatin we had studied in platinum complex compound. Okay, so the major side effect is bone marrow suppression. Okay, especially neutropenia. Okay, irinotecan, it is a prodrug. Okay, and firstly it is decarboxylated in liver to an active metabolite of SN38. It has been formed. Okay, and it has what kind of actions? Cholinergic effects are produced because it also inhibit acetylcholine esterase. So cholinergic effect are also being produced. The most important thing we should remember in that is it is used for colorectal cancer and pancreatic cancer. And dose limiting toxicity इसमें क्या होती है? डायरिया होता है, न्यूट्रोपीनिया, थ्रोम्बोसाइटोपिनिया, हेमरेजिक हेडेक, बॉडी अदर we should not give that much. Okay, and जो इसकी वजह से जो डिलेड डायरिया होता है, ओके, जो डायरिया होता है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टॉक्सिसिटी, इसको अगर हमने इम्प्रूव करना है वी कैन यूज़ अ ड्रग. दैट ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस फॉर दिस टॉक्सिसिटी इज लोपेरामाइड. ओके, लोपेरामाइड. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon.